Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today I have a Sunburst all-in-one deluxe assortment of polishers from DEDECO. They're made of polymer, specially treated ceramic abrasives throughout. Now I'm going to show everyone what all is in this kit and how to use it. When I saw this kit, I thought it would be perfect for polishing knives, especially since we've been making knives. Today, I'm going to demonstrate it with this wood carving spoon. I'll show everyone a little bit about this. Got all the parts, and you can stack these little wheels. You see they're really soft, but they're very flexible. This way you can get into little nooks and crannies that you can't probably get into. And you'll see, there's even some real small ones. Like this today, we're going to build it up. We'll put it on the Dremel. And you need some fine motor skills to work with this one. The direction that your Dremel turns in, you can build them up. We'll put a few on here since the tool is wide. Tighten it up this way before we take the screwdriver to it. And you don't have to over tighten them. But before we go any farther, you've got all the different grips. It comes with this little pamphlet, but I printed it out. It makes it a little bit easier for me. You've got coarse, medium, standard, 400 grit, 600 grit, extra fine, 6 micron. It's all aluminum oxide, and it is embedded into this polymer wheels. Go ahead and get the Dremel. And about 3,000 RPMs is a good range on this. Now you will need to change the call out to accept this smaller shaft. Now I'm going to change the camera angle a little bit. We're going to use this morph vise to hold this tool. Makes it a little bit easier for me. Now that I got the clamp secured, I'll go ahead and put this in. I'm going to do half. That way you can see the before and after on this side and as well as the inside. This little vise just makes it handy for me. Get everything good and secure so it doesn't move on it. And we'll adjust the light. That's a little bit better. Yeah, we got it going what I want. No pressure. That's just with the coarse one. Now we're going to go to this side. We're going to go up in steps. You should be able to see what it's doing now. We're going to go up to the next grit. Now this is the medium. You can spend as much time as you like. Depends how fine you want to get it polished. Now we're going to go up to the standard grit, which is 220. The first two were 80 and 120. Yeah, you can see the progression in here. You can really feel it. Move up to the next one. It'll be 400. Now we're going to go to the pink, which is the 600 grit. Take this off. We'll go to the peach, which will be a 6 micron. And we'll take this off. We'll go to the green, which will be 1 micron. A little wicky black on it. As you can see, I only wanted to do part of it just to show the difference. You can spend a little more time on it. You can get a higher polish than this. Just a little example test run. Now we'll have a few final words. Now I hope I've shown everyone just enough about this kit to get them very interested. You got all these little pieces too. We'll try them out on another project. Considering you can use this on jewelry, wood, plastic, and metal, you can find a lot of uses for it. I urge you to check it out. I'm going to be using this quite a bit. Go to the website. I'll have a link in the description box below. Till next time, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.